This lesson will be an extension of the last lesson, and we will continue to look at the pattern function on our drum machine. So in our last lesson, we learned how to make a second pattern. We're going to go over how to make a third pattern right now. So again, we're going to go back to our A1 pattern because this is the pattern I want to continue using. I can alternatively just create a brand new pattern if I wanted. But right now, I'm just going to copy the pattern we already have by right-clicking again. If you have a Chromebook, use Alt and then click, or you can use two fingers at the same time and then click to get your menu. I'm going to come over here to track pattern 3, paste, and there we go. Again, I'm going to make a couple of changes here. And I'm going to take a listen. To isolate what I have, I just turn off the track pattern so it only plays what's shown here. And I like that pattern, so I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to reactivate. To make this sound a little more cohesive, what I'm going to do is go back to track pattern A, double click on my next open spot in the timeline. I'm going to drag it for 3 bars. Then come over to track pattern 3 and add track pattern 3 at this very end. Again, I'm going to come in and change the color just because I like to change the colors. It makes it a little easier for me to see. So now I have an A1 pattern, an A2 pattern. I went back to the A1 pattern, and then I ended it with the A3 pattern. Let's take a listen.